Importance of rainwater harvesting system. In general, water harvesting is the activity of direct collection of rainwater. The rainwater collected can be stored for direct use or can be recharged into the groundwater. Rain is the first form of water. Rainwater harvesting helps utilities reduce peak demands during summer months, saving treated water for more important and appropriate water uses. While rainwater can be a perfect primary water source for many uses and situations, it is also a great backup water supply for emergency situations. It is a great method that can be used to harvest rainwater from different surfaces and can be stored for later use. The best part about rainwater harvesting is that it saves a lot of time as you do not have to fetch time in order to store water. This water can be useful for purposes like gardening, crop irrigation, watering livestock, laundry, etc. It should be noted that rainwater is not ideal for drinking purposes but can be used for all the above mentioned purposes.
Cool. Coals are traditional irrigation system in Himachal Pradesh. Surface channel diverting water from natural flowing streams. A typical community cool serves 6 to 30 farmers irrigating an area about 20 hectares. The system consists of temporary head walls across a could for storage and diversion of flow through a canal to the field. By modern standard building, cool was simple with the border and labor forming the major input. The cool was provided with the mogas to draw out water and irrigate nearby terrace fields. The water would flow from field to field and surplus water if and would drain back to the cool.
The Kuls were constructed and maintained by the village community. At the beginning of the irrigation system, the Kohli, the water tender, would organize the irrigators to construct the head wall, repair the Kul, and make the system operational. The Kohli played the role of a local engineer. Any person refusing to participate in construction and repair activities without valid reason would be denied for that season. Kuls are commonly found in West Himalayas cold deserts. Kuls are the most reliable and common form of irrigation in hilly areas. In cold deserts of Himachal Pradesh, kuls are built along the hill gradient for maintaining proper gravity for irrigation.
The word Surangam is derived from a Kannada word for tunnel. It is also known as Turangam, Turappu, Mala, etc. in different parts of Kasaragod. It is a horizontal well mostly excavated in hard laterite rock formations. The excavation continues until a good amount of water is struck. Water seeps out of the hard rock and flows out of the tunnel. The water is usually collected in an open pit constructed outside the Surangam.
A surangam is about 0.45 to 0.70 meter wide and about 1.8 to 2 meter high. The length varies from 3 to 300 meter. Usually several subsidiary surangams are excavated inside the main one. If the surangam is very long, a number of vertical air shafts are provided to ensure atmospheric pressure inside. The distance between the successive air shafts varies between 50 to 60 meter. The approximate dimension of the air shafts are 2 by 2 meter and the depth varies from place to place.
Surangams are similar to canals which once existed in Mesopotamia and Babylon around 700 BC. By 714 BC, this technology had spread to Egypt, Persia and India. The initial cost of digging a surangam is the only expenditure needed as it hardly requires any maintenance. Traditionally, a surangam was excavated at a very slow pace and was completed over generations. Today, engineers are faster and keep the tradition alive.